learnt about 2D shapes earlier on in the week, and you guys were pretty good at that shape.
Very good. Very
So
good.
this time we're going to learn the difference between 2D and 3D shapes, and we're going to learn about some 3D shapes. We're going to start with a great song.
Great, excited.
Ready?
Yeah. Very catchy.
It is catchy. Let me just turn that off. So we have just learned 4 3D shapes. We learned cube, cone, sphere and cylinder. Let's not do it fast, very catchy. So when we learned about our 2D shapes, we learned about our sides and our corners.
We did.
For our 3D shapes, we actually learn about our faces. Do you know what faces are, Miss Ware?
Is it this?
That is a face, but it's not the right kind.
Is it this bit of the shape? Is it the face, the bit that you can see? Like
It
the front
is.
of
It's the flat part of the shape, so a face. So it's a smooth part.
Actually, it's the 2D shape, isn't
It
it?
is the 2D
So
shape.
that's a square.
That is
cool.
interesting.
Yeah, I like that.
We look at edges, so not sides, just have edges.
Oh, okay, that was a good clue. Thank you. So they're not sides, they're edges for 3D. So it must be these bits.
It is those bits.
Perfect.
And we look at this strange word, vertices. You know what vertice is?
I don't know that one.
A vertice is a corner. So those pointy bits you can see on your shape.
I see. Yeah, lots of them.
Lots
Got
of
lots of them on
vertices,
here
yeah.
on my cube.
So let's start with a cube.
Would you like
So
that? I'm going to be the
first-
child today. I'm going to be you, year one.
I bet you know the names of these shapes after our singing. So this one,
Cube!
cube. So a cube has got how many faces, Miss Ware?
Can I use my pointer?
You can.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
6 faces! Should we write this down on the board? 6 faces. A cube, do you want to write it? A cube has 6 faces. Wow. And as well as 6 faces, how many edges do you think a cube has?
This is tricky.
This
there's
is
a lot.
really
Can you
tricky
help
one.
me, year 1, count them? Are we ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. I think I'm going to go underneath. 5, 6, 7, 8. Have I missed these ones? 9, 10, 11, 12!
12 edges.
Oh,
12
that's
edges.
a lot of edges.
Ooh. And now the last thing, we've got our faces, our edges, so now we need to look for our vertices. How many vertices?
I think they were the corners, is that right?
the corners. Well done.
Perfect.
So how
Pointy
many
bits.
vertices?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
8 vertices.
Goodness.
6 faces, 12 edges, and 8 vertices. And that makes the 3D shape a cube. You said something interesting. You said that one of the faces looked a bit like a 2D shape.
It looked like a square.
Yep, so the 6 faces of a cube are all squares. So
It's
a
really tricky.
square is the 2D shape, the flat shape.
Sorry, I'm just Fred talking.
Yep,
Square.
square. So a square is the 2D shape, the flat shape, and a cube is the 3D shape, which I like to remember it, the flat shapes and the fat shapes.
Oh, I like
So
that.
the 3D is the fat shape,
Okay,
and the square is the flat shape.
love it.
2D.
Yep.
Perfect. Right, let's look at the next one. Now I really like this one.
Is it because it looks like an ice cream
It
cone?
does.
I love ice cream.
Okay, what is the shape called?
It's a cone!
It is a cone. How many faces on a cone?
I think this is a bit tricky, but I'm
It
going
is.
to guess 1.
Yep.
Is that all one as well?
That
Mrs.
is
Shixtiana?
all
Is it 2
one
total?
face. All one face. 1, 2. 2
Two.
faces.
I should write this up here, hang on. Cone. So we've got 2 faces. Yep.
How many edges?
1.
1 edge.
1 edge.
1 edge here.
That's not very many.
No.
One
And how
edge.
many vertices? How many points?
Just 1.
Just one
vertex.
point.
Oh, is it called something else? A vertex? One
Ah.
vertex. That's tricky, isn't it?
That is
Really
tricky.
tricky words.
Really tricky.
Okay.
So a cone is your 3D shape. It kind of looks a bit like a 2D shape. Ready. Oh, I'm leaving my favourite one till last.
I'm running out of room on my board. Maybe we'll just
That's fine.
describe.
We could rub out the square.
Yeah.
Okay. We have to remember that bit.
Cylinder.
Cylinder. How do you spell cylinder?
Is it a Y?
It's C-Y. Yeah, at the start. Cylinder. Cylinder.
Tricky word. E-R?
Yes.
Cylinder. We think.
Cylinder. So a cylinder has how many faces?
Okay. We remember that was 1 on the cone. So 1, 2, 3.
3 faces. Well done. How many edges?
1, 2.
2 edges.
Love it.
Does the cylinder have any vertices?
No.
No vertices. No vertices. No pointy bits on a cylinder. So a cylinder is a 3D shape, but it looks a little bit like a 2D shape.
It's got a circle face.
It has. So a circle is a 2D shape, but when it looks like this, it's a cylinder.
It looks like a baked bean tin.
It does look like a baked bean tin.
That might help you later. Remember that, year
a
one.
baked bean tin. Okay, my last one is my favourite shape. You can probably do this if you watch. It's a really tricky
Should we
one
pop
to
a line
spell.
over there like this? Hang on.
Yes.
There we go. We split it up.
Are you ready?
Sorry. I just remember it from the song.
What's the shape? Sphere.
Sorry, Mrs. Chic Sienna. I was just getting carried away from the song.
A sphere is so tricky to spell as well. And I find if you slow it down, it almost makes it a bit harder.
Yes, it does.
Sphere. So a sphere has how many faces?
It's tricky. It's either 0 or 1. What do we think, year one? I think with 0, probably wouldn't exist, would it?
No,
So
no faces.
it must have one face, is that
One
right?
face, but the face stretches all the way around. It's quite wobbly on my hand.
Okay.
How many edges?
None.
No edges. How many vertices?
No vertices.
No vertices, definitely no pointy bits on this shape. And it does look a lot like a ball, like a football.
It does look like a football. I've enjoyed doing that.
I'm going to send you off again, I swear.
Okie
On a 3D shape hunt.
Yes, I love a shape hunt.
So your first shape that you have to
I'm
find
already looking around the room, spotting things. I'm
around the
excited.
classroom.
Yeah.
Can you find me one of these?
I'm going.
Cube.
Going.
Here she goes.
Cube's tricky, actually.
Ah.
Cube, 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 cube. I found other shapes.
It's really tricky.
It's
I'm
really
actually wondering,
tricky.
do I have anything in here that is actually a cube?
Have you tricked
Ooh,
me, Mrs.
ooh,
Shakespeare?
Oh, I found something.
What about? Hang on. I'm making one.
You're making one.
Making one.
There's one on my desk too, by the way.
I'm making one. Oh, I've got 2. Okay, I panicked. I couldn't find one, so I
That was
made one
close.
out of Lego bricks.
That's a good idea.
But actually, Mrs. Shakespeare helped me.
I did just make a very big mess on my desk
Oh,
to find that cube.
Cubes.
So,
That was tricky.
Yeah, that
Cube
is
is
hard.
not a common shape for us.
No. Okay. Well, I think we might struggle with some of the others as well. Let's go for this one. What is this shape?
Cone.
A
I've
cone.
seen one of those.
Seen a
Off.
cone. Here she comes. She's coming back already.
Speedy.
She's speedy. On fire, Miss Ware.
Cone.
Cone. Same.
Cone.
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 Okay.
I was good with that one.
I'm really sorry, Miss Ware, but I think this one's very tricky as well.
Okay. Cylinder.
A cylinder.
Okay, I'm on it.
Oh, it's like,
Oh,
like you've got an idea. Ooh.
does that count?
I think that counts.
Cylinder.
A cylinder. Well done.
Do you know, someone told me a cool fact about cylinders.
Yep.
If you slice them up throughout the shape, it'll always have a face in the middle of it.
Oh,
pretty
that
cool,
is
isn't
a
it?
cool fact.
Pretty cool.
The last one, I think this is probably the easiest one. This
Okay,
one.
I'm ready. I've seen one of those. I'm off.
She's going. She's running back.
I'm excited about this one.
This is a good one.
A
A globe.
The biggest sphere I
That
could
is
find.
a big sphere. So we have a little sphere and a big sphere.
I know one more shape that's a 3D that I think some of the children might know.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a cuboid.
A cuboid.
Do you think I could see if I can find one of those while you explain maybe what they are?
Yes.
Let me
So
go.
a cube has all of its faces as a square. Now a cuboid has 4 of its faces are not squares. Do you know what shape they are, Miss Ware?
Rectangles?
Rectangles. So
That counts as
we have our long sides and our short sides. Here she goes.
I struggled to find one actually,
It
but
is
that
tricky.
is a cuboid.
That is a
It's
cuboid.
not
So
what
we've
you
got
typically see as one, but
4 rectangles. So these faces have 2 long sides and 2 short sides.
Yeah.
4 of those, and actually the ends can either be rectangles or squares, can't they?
they can. That one is rectangles. Let me see if I can find a better one. Bear with me.
I'm doing a video.
Mr. Chislet's walked in, you one. Quick, you go and say hello on the video.
Like that.
Miss Ware has exited the room to find a cuboid.
You got live.
We are live.
Live,
Mr.
live.
Chislet is behind
Hello.
the camera.
Hello everybody,
Yay.
lovely to see you.
We're looking for 3D shapes.
Oh,
She's back.
um,
Woo!
That was
Year
a
one,
long
I had to
journey.
run around the school to find A cuboid.
A cuboid.
Oh, Mrs. Shixiano has been sending me on a shape hunt.
Oh, I like
And
it.
it was tricky.
Mm.
That one was tricky.
It was
But we
tricky.
found our
It
cuboid.
was. So
Excellent.
now I think we need to send year 1 on a shape hunt.
Definitely.
Yeah. So year 1, you need to go around your house and see if you can find some 3D shapes in your house, and then let us know on Showbie what you find.
It's super fun. So go and enjoy it, year 1. We'll see you
See you
later.
Bye bye.